What's going on? Tell me about it.
Look at the holes he's done.
Oh my goodness, Molokai.
Look.
Molokai. What are you doing digging in the ground? We're gonna go investigate more holes.
Look at that.
He's a digging-ist dog. Digging-ist dog.
Oh, and then there's one right here.
Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing, puppy? What are you doing? Are you smiling at me? Okay, they're gonna show me more holes. You can't hide. You're trying to distract me with that box that you're carrying around. Oh, there's Mikey's gonna get you too. Hi, Mikey. Let's go see where they're going. I thought you were gonna tackle me. Oh my goodness, Molokai! What are you? Where are you going? Where? Oh! Where are you going with those holes? That's what I want to know. I want to know.
You dug all this up. Over the septic. Yeah, he hasn't dug too many holes in the front.
Do you know they're talking about you, Molokai?
What are you doing, Momo?
He's like, no, back away. Don't see my Hey, there's one.
Yeah, and one there too. He's a hole digger.
Oh, Molokai is part wolf. Because I was looking at his house today, and it was showing pictures of wolf.
Are you part wolf?
And look at how his ears stick up and how he smiles. That's what wolves do.
Really?
Yes.
Here, good boy. Go ahead.
Momo, what are you digging?
Are you getting in trouble?
What are you digging?
Digging up leprosy people.
What are you digging? Yeah. He's a baby. He's a baby.